There's Zoe. I know she wishes she could come in and play with you. Show us your skills. Do-do-do-do. Now how are you going to get back down? How do you plan on getting back down? Huh? That's Zoe. Poor Zoe can't come over and play. I wouldn't let go if I was you. I wouldn't do it.